Welcome to part 7 of Clash of Engines series. Today we will learn how to set up a human user display elements. First, let's create a widget blueprint. By right-clicking anywhere on the blueprint folder and scroll down to user interface and select widget blueprint. From the palette tab, add 5 images and 3 text to the hierarchy canvas panel. Rename them fruit background, heart background, time background, time color, fruit text, heart text, and time text. From the Detail tab and under Appearance, expand Brush and select the correct image for each element. Now we will reposition them to match this layout. For the fruit background, check Size to Content and change the X scale to -1. For heart background, check Size to Content, change Anchor to Top Mid and X position to -35. For the time background, check Size to Content, change Anchor to Top Right and X position to -136. For fruit, check Size to Content and change X and Y position to 16. Change X and Y scale to 1.3. and angle to -17. For time color, check Size to Content, change Anchor to Top Right, X position to -134 and Y position to 2. For fruit text, change content to 3 zeros and change the X position to 37 and Y position to 15. Align text to center, change the shadow offset to 2 and the shadow color to a suitable one. For her text, change content to 2 zeros and change the anchor to Top Mid. Then change the X position to -20 and Y position to 17. Change the X size to 40 and the font size to 20. and align text to center. Change the shadow offset to 2 and the shadow color to a suitable one. For time text, change content to 3 zeros, change anchor to top right and the X position to -120 and the Y position to 15. Align text to center and change the shadow offset to 2 and the shadow color to a suitable one. Now go to Fruit Text Details tab and under Content, click Bind and then Create Binding. Hover over the connection and then Alt and click to disconnect it. Connect Get Fruit Text to Maha Blueprint Cast. Connect a Get Player Character node to the object input of Maha Cast. Now click and drag the As Blueprint output pin and add a Get Fruit node. Connect it to the Return Value bin of the Return node. Connect the Cast Maha node to the Return node. Now go back to the design mode. Apply the same steps to connect the hard text to the life variable. Just instead of getting fruit node, add the get life node this time. Do the same for time text. Just add a trunket node after the get time node. This will round the float value to the closest integer value. Now we want to swap the image of the time color so it turns yellow when time is below 75%, orange when time is below 50, and red when it's below 25. Now go to Time Color Detail tab and under Appearance, click the bind next to the brush and then create binding. Add a cast to Maha Blueprint. Connect a Get Player Character node to the object input of Maha Cast. Then get time and time max references. Then add a float divide node to divide time over maximum time. Add a more than or equal float node. And a less than float node, and make a copy of it. Connect the cast to the return node. Connect the output of the division to the first pin of more than or equal node. Add a select node and change its pin type to paper sprite. Make 2 copies of it. Connect the output of the select to the false pin of the next one. Now change the value of the more than or equal node to 0.75 and connect this output to the index pin of the first select. Connect the output of the division to the first pin of the less than node. Change the value of the first less than node to 0.5 and connect its output to the index pin of the second select. Change the value of the last less than node to 0.25 and connect its output to the index pin of the last select. For the first select, change the false value to the yellow image is 35, and the true to the green image, which is image 38. For the second select, change the true to the orange image, which is 36, and for the last select, change it to the red image, which is 37. Add a make a brush from sprite node and connect the last select to it. Change its width to 132 and its height to 81. Connect its return value to the return value of the return node. Save and go back to Level 1 tab. Under the toolbar, click Blueprint, then open Level Blueprint. Drag from the Begin Play node. Add a Create Widget node. Change the class to be HUD with the name of the user display we created. Add and connect an Add to Viewport node to it. And check context sensitivity to add set show mouse cursor node and connect it to add to viewport node. Add the get player controller node and connect it to show mouse cursor node. Click play and let's see if everything is working as it should be. We have set up 1 and 2 to increase and decrease the life point and the food count, so we can check if it's working or not. This is the end of this part. In the next part, we will learn how to make collectible items. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you face any problem or have any topic you like us to cover, let us know in the comment section below. Link to the full version of the game and the assets used is available in the description. Also click the bell icon to stay up to date, and for more game development joy, check our sister channel Game Maker in Arabic. Have a nice day.